everyone, I'm Lauren. Welcome to Around the World in Winnipeg. We bring you sights, sounds, and flavors from around the world found locally in Winnipeg. Today, we are checking out Little Eggplant for BACK Winnipeg Food Truck Edition. Let's go!
The concept was to do some Italian panini. Initially we wanted to do fried dough, but just with the health regulations we decided to do the pressed dough, and the fresh dough panino was born here in Winnipeg. We do everything by hand. All our sauces are handmade. We make fresh dough daily as well. Only top ingredients from local suppliers. A lot of our specialty is basically the fresh dough panino, and our desserts are handmade cannoli as well.
It's like Christmas.
In July.
That's right. Who's gonna complain about that? Ooh, oh my word. Look at that. Here we go.
Just
It melts in your mouth.
That's one of the best chocolate ice creams, gelatos I've ever had.
This is amazing.
Yeah, it's so rich, creamy, good consistency.
You will not be disappointed. This place is amazing. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Thank you guys for coming. Yes. So for everybody want to check out where we're at, the easiest way is to get on our website, www.thelittleeggplant.ca. Hi, my name is Fil Romolo, owner of The Little Eggplant. Welcome to Around the World in Winnipeg.